Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm a cool mom who's now Paper Terrace is having the Dollar Tree Junk Journal challenge again. I joined her 3 years ago, and this is what I made. A junk journal made from a gift bag that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I don't know, I have this gift bag on my desk. I don't know if I'm going to use a gift bag again for this challenge. I kind of don't know what direction I'm going to go into this time, but what you can see is there is a lot of things you really can get, and I like a good gift bag because the tag, you can use the tag that's usually hanging from it on your gift bag. It comes with ribbon and usually a little card or something, so you can, you know, repurpose it and use it. But there's things you can hang off. I called it book bling. You get your book bling. I'm dating myself, honey. People don't say that anymore. So yeah, there's a lot of things you could get. I will link this below and maybe in the card above. So if you want to see the supplies that I bought and things of that nature. But this was my journal from that one. Now, here are some of the items that I bought for this one. I'm just using this to say maybe I will use a gift bag. I don't know. But we know they have envelopes that we could use to build it. They have that crafter square. This is pop.dig. What did I just do? Oh, and they also have the double-sided tape. Okay. Detailing scissors. They have all kinds of scissors there. All kinds of rulers. Well, we know that. And then one of my favorite glues, they have the Aleene's tacky glue. I believe it's in a smaller bottle though. And we know they carry the envelopes. Well, anyway, this tissue paper is new to me. I don't know if it's new. I picked up some of this tissue paper. This is really pretty. This is pretty. Interest to your junk journal. What else do they have? Of course, the paper. Find that there. Receipt books. Little peel and seal coin envelopes. And then when I bought it, I was like, what about it? I can make it myself. But I could repurpose that. Okay. If I wanted to go into a more vintagey direction, or even put in a contemporary one, you break these down, you know, these coin wrappers. Okay. This is just a representation because they have a ton of stencils, so you can use the stencils. And I didn't pull it out, but they also have so you can make your album look vintagey. You can use shoe polish. All right. Now this is new to me. I've seen it while other people hauled it in other Dollar Tree videos. They have paper packs. So if you're not a huge paper crafter and you have paper pads, you can pick up the paper packs and then use this for all kinds of things. Tuck spots, tags, envelopes. This is just a representation. They have tons of notepads. This one is vintage, but tons of notepads you can find at the Dollar Tree. Another representation, but I haven't picked it up yet. I have tons of vintage flashcards, but they have tons of flashcards in the school aisle. Oh, I did my Christmas one with fabric, and I used, you can watch that too. I'll link it below and above. I made that one with a cloth from the automotive section. And then these you can make into flowers, break off and make it to flowers. There's tons of things at the Dollar Tree. This is their burlap ribbon. They have other kinds of ribbon. They have really stepped up their game in the craft department. The doilies. What is this? Paper pendants. You could use this as a stencil or put it into your journal. They have just really stepped up their game. Napkins. Some stuff I was going in my stash. Jewel border stickers. This is new that I picked up this year. And some of this now we're going into what I just picked up. Inspirational book that I don't know if I'm going to use. Well, look, I could give it away and send it to someone. This sticker. Now, most of this I'm going to show again probably in a Dollar Tree video, but stickers, stretch lace, all kinds of goodies. Of course, like I said, the bling bling, the gemstone stickers. What else? They now have rub-ons. They have this is just a sticker. Have all kinds of bags, but you know we like to put our brown bags in our junk journals. They now have wooden. This is from Michael's, but they have wooden pieces like this now at the Dollar Tree. They have really come a long way. If you want to make shaker cards or have something like that inside, they have that. Of course, they have cards that you could add in. Just a ton of things. I also have decorative scissors, so you can make your ends really decorative. You know, your papers and your envelopes of that nature. They have just tons of things now at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has really, washi tape. Even though I wouldn't buy a single roll of washi tape from the Dollar Tree, I just wouldn't, because you know it now comes in groups, and you can buy it for $5 or whatever. You have it at Michael's or something like that. But this is just a start. Some I recently bought. And then some I thought this was a good buy, because it comes even with the alphas. You get the pictures and the stickers. Well, anyway, then the clips and things of that nature. When I get everything together, I will come back and show you what I'm going to start with, and I'm going to show you from beginning to end making my Dollar Tree junk journal again. So yeah, that's all I have for you today, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, I forgot. She again, it's Paper Terrace. She's not putting, thank goodness, she's not giving us a due date. She's doing a whole series, so run on over there and watch it. But it's more of a casual, laid back. So okay, friends, thank you so very much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.